Hello and welcome to our presentation for Project 1, Logic in Daily Life, Building a Chain of Deduction. Today, I will show how logical reasoning helps us understand a common issue in student life, the impact of unstable internet on academic performance.
Hi, we are FATEN binti AHMAD IZUAN and ALYANA binti RUDY ISKANDAR. We are excited to work together and share our ideas with you today.
First logical statement. If students have unstable internet, then they miss online classes. We can write this as a conditional statement. P implies Q, where P, students have unstable internet, and Q, students miss online classes. This is a basic conditional relationship, setting the foundation for our chain of reasoning. Let's look at the next logical link. If students miss online classes, then they don't understand the topics. Symbolically, this becomes Q implies R, where R, students don't understand the topics. Notice how the conclusion of the first argument, missing online classes, becomes the premise for the next. This is how we start building a logical chain. We consider if students don't understand the topics, then they get poor grades. Symbolically, R implies S, where S, students get poor grades. Again, we see a logical flow from one idea to the next using deduction to show consequences. We use the rule of hypothetical syllogism. This rule allows us to connect these conditional statements into a longer chain. From P implies Q, Q implies R implies S, we can logically conclude that P implies S. This means if students have unstable internet, then they get poor grades. Every step in this chain is valid because each conclusion serves as a premise for the next. Let's summarize the chain using symbolic logic. P implies Q, Q implies R implies S, therefore P implies S. This shows how logical reasoning connects everyday observations into a meaningful conclusion. This logical chain is valid because we've applied the correct rules at each step. This is an example of how logic isn't just abstract. It explains real-life problems clearly and systematically. Thank you all for listening. I hope this helped you see how symbolic logic works in daily life.